One day, for example, Rosie said to Nicobobinus, "Let's pull up every single weed on your doorstep." "Let's not," said Nicobobinus, which is what Rosie thought he would say. "In that case," replied Rosie, "let's discover the land of dragons." "Don't be daft," said Nicobobinus. "How can we do that?" "Because you can do anything," said Rosie. So the next morning, just as it was getting light, Rosie threw little pebbles up at Nicobobinus's shutter. Nicobobinus was still half asleep when he looked out. "What's the matter, Rosie?" he asked. "Shh," whispered Rosie. "I've got the buns and the lemonade." "What for?" asked Nicobobinus. "Supplies for the road," whispered Rosie. "Where are we going?" asked Nicobobinus. "We're going to find the land of dragons," whispered Rosie. "Don't you remember?" "Oh, I thought you might have forgotten about that," said Nicobobinus. "No fear," said Rosie. "It's one of the best ideas I've ever had." "What about the weeding?" said Nicobobinus. "Come on," said Rosie. So they set off through the early morning town. When they got to the end of the narrow street where they lived, they met a night watchman who said, "Where are you two going at this hour?" "We're going to look for the land of dragons," said Nicobobinus. "You can't do this at this time of the morning," said the night watchman. But before he could grab them, Rosie and Nicobobinus were sprinting away as fast as they could. Now, what you have to do is class 6. Okay, you have to select every difficult word you think is hard for you to understand, underline it, and write their meaning on your copy with its Urdu translation.